Today we're going to cook something that's easy to cook and delicious. Put in 2 teaspoons of oil into the pressure cooker, which I'm using for Philips. Put in about 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, which is easy to cook, and just stir it a little bit to let it cook. Then you can add in about 200 grams of prawns, or more if you prefer prawns and you like to eat prawns. And then you can actually stir the prawns a bit till it's a bit cooked before you add the other ingredients. This is easy to cook and very fast. Whenever you are busy and don't have the time to do the ingredients yourself, or really cook and cut and slice everything yourself. So this is a fast way to make a meal that's nice and delicious. Now I'm going to stir fry the prawns a little bit, or saute the prawns a little bit before I add in what I call the squid, the flower squid, which you can actually buy from the supermarkets. It's all cut and prepared, and it's just 1 packet will do, and you can add it to the ingredients, which I will be doing shortly. Here are the flower squid. Look how lovely they are, and it's so simple to cook. So add it all in. It's just 1 packet. You can adjust the amount depending on the number of people who are having the dish, but this is for about 2 persons. Okay, and now we let it cook for a little bit before we add in our special ingredient, which I call the instant Assam fish sauce, which is a bit sour and spicy. It really adds to the flavor, and it's very nice, and it's all prepared. No need to chop it yourself or peel it yourself, so this saves a lot of time when you come back from work and need to have a quick meal and a delicious meal. There it goes, 1 full packet into the pressure cooker before you get it cooking. Now stir fry it a little bit to let it cook a bit before adding the next ingredient, which is the cabbage. I used about half a small cabbage, and I sliced it so that it's easy to cook. You can add more if you like. I mean, really, sometimes the ingredients can be adjusted according to your taste and your preferences. I can smell the aroma of the Assam, or the sour and sweet and bit spicy sauce. I add in about a bowl of water before I cover it and set it for about 40 minutes to let it cook. I'll be adding ingredients later, and with this Philips pressure cooker you can add ingredients, which is very useful. You don't have to switch it off and then put in the ingredients and start again. You can just add ingredients. There you have it. Doesn't it look delicious? And here I'm adding in the lady's fingers. It's about 10 small lady's fingers, which I have sliced diagonally, because it gives you more flavor, and it allows the lady's fingers to absorb the flavor of the Assam curry. 1 more ingredient to go, and that is what I call the snow peas. Put it in about a packet. Or you can say about 10 to 15 snow peas. Then you stir it a bit before you cover and let it continue cooking till it is ready for your dinner or your lunch.